So I didn't really know what to do for the 500 sub special, so I was like, I haven't unboxed my new keyboard yet. And with my mouse, so I'm like, so we're gonna be unboxing for the 500 sub special. I ran up the stairs like 12 times. So sorry. So it's a Red Dragon gaming keyboard. I already have the Red Dragon headphones, so that should be nice. All the same brand. So we're gonna open. It already is open. Well, pretend I opened it. So it's a light up gaming keyboard with a mouse. So it should be pretty nice. It's stuck. Okay, so this is the mouse. Very beautiful. This is a wire. The instructions. Okay, well this is the box, so yeet that. I mean, I'm not a professional unboxer. Where does this open? Okay, let's make it satisfying. Okay. Hey, it's not mechanical. He said it was mechanical. No, it doesn't make satisfying sound. Whatever. As long as it lights up, I'm fine. I'm fine. I would have to plug it into my computer. I don't know how because I'm not technology type of person. I mean, I am, but like, I don't know. So for now, I'll just like give you a little tour of the stuff. So this will light up. Open. I like the texture. It's like sandy. Okay. Not really sure what that's. Oh, it's like okay. It will light up on like the sides and stuff. It will be rainbowy-ish. I'm gonna be super confused if I like how would this. I get the mechanical ones because there's like little stuff that. I don't know, but still satisfying-ish. My other one is more satisfying right now. Like, just saying. But this is my other one. Why is the camera so weird? Looks like a Snapchat filter. This is my other one. It's just boring. But it does make some pretty satisfying stuff. But, you know. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for 500 subscribers. Yeah, this is like the special. I don't know. Sorry, I'm so cringy if you made it this far. If you enjoy, give it a like. Yeah.